This video will show you how to use SwissSys to send emails to the players in your tournament using your Google account with the secure OAuth 2 protocol. I hope you find this utility helpful in keeping your players informed about the status of your tournament. The email utility is on the Utilities menu. Clicking it takes you to the email dialog. To use a Gmail account, check the Gmail account box here. Then select a player or players you want to send an email to. Give it a subject, add whatever attachments you want, and type your message here. Finally, click the Send Mail button. As a security measure, Gmail will request your consent to allow SwissSys to send emails on your behalf. You don't have to send emails through your Gmail account in order to use SwissSys, but if you want to do that, you need to give SwissSys permission as part of the OAuth 2 standard protocol. Select the Gmail account you want to use and then give your consent. As of today, when I'm making this video, Gmail certification of SwissSys is still pending. In fact, producing this video is the last step in that process. This means that in this video, you will see how Gmail warns me that SwissSys is considered unsafe. But by the time you see this video, SwissSys should be known to Gmail and this warning will not appear. For now, I have to tell Gmail to go ahead and give SwissSys permission despite the warning. One last confirmation and the mail will be sent. That's all there is to it. If you are concerned about privacy, as you should be, rest assured that SwissSys does not have access to your account beyond the ability to send emails on your behalf. If you have any questions along these lines, there is a link to the privacy policy of SwissSys that you can click on before giving your consent.